Hello guys, today we're going to talk about satellite image processing. In this we have contents according to satellite image processing, satellite imagery, remote sensing, methodology of change detection and remote sensing, image segmentation, satellite image operators, Google Maps, feature of Google Maps, applications. First, what is satellite image processing? It is a technique to enhance raw images received from cameras or sensors placed on satellites, space probes, and aircrafts, or pictures taken in a normal day-to-day life in various applications. The satellite imagery, where you can see a sun rays coming from the light incoming rays, and the receiver sends a message to the satellites and get reflected back to the next we have satellite imagery. The resolution of the sensor defines the pixel size and the detail and accuracy. With spatial resolution, it is the area on ground represented by each pixel. Temporal resolution, it tells how often a satellite obtaining imagery on particular area. Spectral resolution, it is a specific wavelength interval in electromagnetic spectrum. Radiometric resolution, it tells how the sensor changes brightness of object. Its ranges is expressed as power of 2 power n. View angle resolution, number of angles at which ground objects are recorded. Remote sensing, where remote sensors are devices that sense energy from remote location. Remote sensing is a science of acquiring, process, and interpreting information or data collected by remote sensors. This technology is very used to capture condition of surface ground with high resolution and direct visual assessment suffered regions. In 2004, tsunami was assessed by ICONOS and QuickBird Information Resources. The methodology for exchange detection of remote sensing, we can see here algebra, image algebra has defines the amount of change between pre and post event images, where d of I comma j comma k is equal to b into v of I comma j comma of 1 minus b of b into v I comma j comma of 2 plus c, where d of I comma j comma k represents as change pixel value, where bv I comma j comma 1 represents as brightness value at time and 2 represents as brightness value at time 2. The C represents as constraint, I has row index, J has column index, K has single band. Where here, image segmentation. Image segmentation is a appropriate strategy to acquire image objects. It divides an image into spatially continuous distance and homogeneous regions on the basis of homogeneity, and these regions are referred to as IOS. The satellite image operators. Arithmetic operators like are additional, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, complement, and negation. Spatial transformation, blurring, sharpening, and filtering. Edgeline and spot detection performs gradient transformation. Color conversion operator transform the image from one color model to another color model. Geometric transformation, rotation, scale, and wrap. Well, Google Maps is the application of the satellite image processing, where a web mapping service application and technology provided by Google that powers many map-based services, provides high-resolution aerial or satellite images for most urban areas. Download map area enables the user to download the basic road map, can download up to 26 square kilometers from the spot. Various governments have complained that the terrorist attacks are planning using satellite images. So Google has blurred some areas for security like US Naval Base and White House. According to 2012 survey, it has provided voice guidance and live traffic information in cities of Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Pune, and Hyderabad. Features of Google Maps are navigation, search in plain English, search by voice, traffic view, satellite view, and street view. Where here applications are satellite imaging is prevalent in many consumer apps today, example Google Maps, Google Earth, and GPS cars. The real-time processing of satellite images or grid architectures could reveal geographic and environmental information. Example, soil vegetation, water depth, and air. Pegasus Mapping Engine of Data Flow. GOI, one satellite launched in 2008, has highest resolution. ERO satellites are lightweight, has high resolution and high performance. Meteosat-2 is a geostationary weather satellite. And gene data analysis. Here, in gene expression profiling is the measurement of the expression level of thousands of genes at one. Consequently, it is widely used for cancer prediction. It is also used in medical diagnosis and drug design. Cancer is a disease characterized by uncontrolled cell growth and proliferation. This behavior occurs because genes regulating the cell growth mutate. This means that all the cancerous cells contain the mutated genes. This uncontrolled growth develops different types of tumors. In this context, gene expression profiling is utilized to provide a more accurate classification of tumors. The dimensionality of typical gene expression datasets ranges from several thousands to over ten of thousands of genes. For this, uh, for this large classification solve, extended classifier system, which has been successfully utilized for classifying large data sets. Cloud COXCS is a machine learning classification for gene expression dataset